Great products are not created by simply following instructions from above. In Empowered, Marty Cagan and Chris Jones argue that the strongest companies build empowered product teams, teams that are given the context, ownership, and responsibility to solve meaningful customer problems. Many organizations still operate with a feature factory mindset. Leaders decide what should be built, teams execute requirements, and success is measured by delivery. But the authors argue that this approach limits creativity and prevents teams from discovering the best solutions. Empowered teams work differently. Instead of being told exactly what to build, they are given problems to solve. They combine product management, design, and engineering expertise to understand customers, explore opportunities, and create solutions that deliver real value. The role of leadership changes in this model. Leaders are not there to control every decision. Their responsibility is to create an environment where talented people can succeed by providing a clear vision, strong principles, and the support needed to make good decisions. Cagan and Jones emphasize that empowerment is not the same as giving teams unlimited freedom. True empowerment requires accountability. Teams must understand the company's objectives, measure outcomes, and take ownership of results. The central message of Empowered is that companies win when they trust capable teams to solve problems, rather than treating people as simply executors of someone else's ideas. The future of product development belongs to organizations that create environments where teams can discover, innovate, and deliver products customers truly value.